Did you ever think you'd need protection from that nifty reusable straw of yours? That seemingly clever metal one can leave you with chipped teeth, or worse. And a glass straw can lead to a party of glass shards in your mouth. No thank you. What about paper straws? Well, they can ruin a perfectly good drink before you've even had your first sip. Get It Right reusable silicone straws are designed with your safety in mind. Made from platinum-grade silicone, our straws are soft and bendy enough to keep you safe, but also tough enough to handle the thickest milkshakes and all of those yummy frappés people can't seem to get enough of. They are odour and taste-free, super easy to clean, and come in the snazziest rainbow of colours. But that's not where the story ends. Once you're done with your reusable straw, are you going to throw it in your handbag? In case you didn't know, your purse is a very dangerous place. Your $20 bill changes hands 2,328 times in its lifetime. Your credit cards are probably carrying some kind of virus. And forget about that cell phone, which sports roughly 25,000 germs, most of them born in the loo. Lucky for you, most GIR straws come with a carrying case that keep your straws safe from the dangers of your purse, pocket, backpack, or anywhere else you go. And all of our sizes come with a reusable bag that you can use for safe and easy storage. There's a GIR straw for everyone, and they'll safely travel anywhere you go. Everyone knows that single-use straws are going the way of the dodo. Get It Right straws keep our planet and your mouth safe. Do the Get It Right thing and pick up a GIR Ultimate Straw Set. It'll be the last set you ever need.